visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check kung anong nangyayari no, sa ating paligid, especially when it comes to our romantic life. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know na believe in the divine timing dahil believe in the synchronicities. Whenever you find this message, the message is also meant to find you. The Magician. It felt like you all have the tools, no, to make things come true. The Magician kasi probably has a lot of elements in them, not just uh, astrologically no element, but more of the element of knowledge, the element of it could be money, strength to make it happen. It just so happened na merong bagay na gumugulo sa atin or hinder, no? The Hangman. And this is the doubt. The doubt na kakayanin ba natin? I feel like when it comes to resources, you have it. But the thing here is with regard to the skill, no? So, kakayanin ko ba? Mapapangatawanan ko ba? No? It's either mapapangatawan ko ba itong relationship? Kasi meron na ako nararamdaman. So, that's not actually a question anymore. Ow. Ang lakas. I'm hearing echoes. So, anyway, hindi question kung love ko, kung nandun yung emotion, nandun tayo eh. Pero ang tanong ko dito is, tanong ko sa sarili ko, mapapanindigan ko ba? No? Kasi parang siguro meron din tayong takot sa sarili natin na alam niyo yung mga takaw tingin or takaw mata, no? Baka mamaya sa umpisa lang ako, mapahiya pa ako, no? Magkaroon ako ng bad impression and I don't like that, no? Or I'm done with it, no? Parang ang gusto ko ngayon is kung magkakaroon ako ng relationship, eto na. Ayoko na yung paiba-iba, ayoko na yung magsisimula na naman ako sa kamusta ka na. No? Magsisimula ako anong favorite color, anong favorite movie, Diyos ko po. No, na-experience ko na yan. Sino-sino na yung nagtanong sa akin, sino-sino na rin yung tinanong ko, minemorize ko pa, no? Pinanood ko pa yung kung sequel man yan. Diyos ko, kung Harry Potter yan, my God. Ang haba, no? Harry Potter yung favorite mong movie. Diyos ko po, Lord, no? Paano kung hindi mo pa napanood? So, papanoorin mo, ilang sequel yun. So, it felt like, ayoko na ng ganon, no? Dito na lang ako. Kung eto na yon, no? Kaya medyo maingat ako. Maingat ako sa paggawa ng decision. Actually, madali lang naman para sa akin yung umoo. Madali lang naman sa akin yung ibigay, no? Or mag-initiate ng move. Wala tayong problema doon. Mapapanindigan ko ba? Kaya ko ba? Tatagal ba? Or mapaninindigan niya kaya, no? Kasi that's also one of my question. Baka mamaya, effort ako ng effort. Sayang naman yung in-effort ko. So, in your heart space is the Six of Pentacles. Gusto mo kapag kumilos ka, of course, merong reciprocation. Kahit sino naman. Parang, di ba, matutuwa ka kapag ang isang tao binigyan mo, nagsasabi ng thank you. Matutuwa ka kapag ang isang kapitbahay mo, no, binigyan mo ng ulam, wala man gayon, ibinalik ang iyong pinggan. Well, sabi nila, wag no? wag imisin. Ibinalik man yung pinggan, meron din silang, kahit papano, kaunting ulam din na binigay sa'yo. So that is reciprocation. Gusto mo, o kahit man lang, "Uy, salamat," or "Babawi ako." Kung wala man ako ibibigay sa'yo ngayon, babawi ako. Ang gusto mo dito is merong banters of energy. The more na na-excite tayo, no? The more na nagkakaroon ng also initiative doon sa person, the more na nagkakaroon din ng, sabihin natin, interest si person. So, gusto ko na meron din siyang interest sa ginagawa ko or dito sa amin, no? With the Queen of Swords, probably, this is one of your pet peeves, no? Ayaw mo ng mga, ayaw mo na ng, yung mga ganitong situation na ako lang yung mag-e-effort. I've done with it, no? Been there, done that. Sinubukan ko na i-impress ang isang tao for them to make me feel na kailangan ko din, no, ng energy na ibinibigay ko. So it felt like ay parang wala siyang binibigay, so dagdag ako ng dagdag ako ng dagdag, effort ako ng effort hanggang naubos ako and wala akong nakuha. Kumbaga sa business, nalugi ako, no? I gave everything and I got none in return. So ayoko na ng gano'n. This time magiging mautak ako. So wala namang masama kung gagamitin mo ang utak mo. Actually, that is one of the yun nga no? Yun yung tinatawag nating maturity. Kung hindi ka pa ba naman natuto at naubos ka na, no? Or na-drain ka na, there's something wrong with you, di ba? If you're not going to change something, you're not going to get a different result, no? So, this time you want some changes with the Three of Wands, nag-antay ka, no? I feel like whether inantay mo, this is the current person, an ex, or nag-antay ka ng tamang tao, this might be new. One thing's for sure, matagal na panahon na parang sinabi mo, hindi ko nga pinatibok yung puso ko for a long time. Ngayon, tumitibok na naman siya. Again, whether this is coming from a past or this is a new person, parang sinasabi mo, kailangan kong maging mautak, no? Mas kailangan kong, siguro you also learned the art of waiting, the art of procrastinating, the art of not being triggered by your emotion. That's very important, no? With the Sun. So it felt like maayos naman ito magiging relationship na to. Maayos naman itong magiging outcome, no? Actually, there's maturity in here. It felt like either baka nga ito na yung ipinagdadasal mo na makabuo ng family. Baka ito na rin ang pinagdadasal mo na maging maayos kayo, maging maayos na ang buhay mo, romantically wise. Baka ito na rin yung time na an answered prayer, no? The Sun. There's always like another day, a warmth. There's always another, page to look forward to rewrite a history, to make it your own, no? Parang this is where it felt like I'm going to own this. I'm going to make the most out of it. Kaya nag-iingat ako sa sarili ko. Kaya inaantay ko, no, na magkaroon ng tamang panahon. Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, yun nga, medyo humahaba siguro yung procrastination kasi wala tayong nakikita kay person. So the reason why you are here is probably checking, bibigyan ko ba ito ng chance, no? Or ipagpapatuloy ko ba itong relationship na ito? Kasi ang nakikita natin, medyo hirap tayong gumalaw no? Na-stuck tayo because hindi natin alam ang gagawin. So the guidance in here is make a move or give this person a chance dahil nakikita natin talaga na merong pag-asa at merong mga bagay na hindi pa natin na-experience na pwedeng mangyari, no, dito sa relationship na ito. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, kung meron kayong mga questions, there's actually sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link, no? Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio. I am seeing Aquarius. I'm seeing Aries. I'm seeing Gemini. I'm seeing Libra. No? So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the